The 2025 BMW 5 Series is here, and it's bringing a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and performance. As one of BMW's most iconic models, the 5 Series has always been the benchmark for executive sedans, and this latest version takes things to a whole new level. With a bold new design, cutting-edge features, and electrified powertrain options, the new 5 Series is ready to dominate the road. Starting with the exterior, BMW has given the 5 Series a more aggressive and modern look. The front end features a wider kidney grille with an illuminated option, giving it a striking presence at night. Slimmer LED headlights and a sculpted hood add to the dynamic appeal. The body lines are sharper and the overall stance is sportier, making the 2025 model one of the most stylish 5 Series sedans ever. The rear gets sleek LED taillights and a subtle lip spoiler, enhancing its aerodynamic efficiency. BMW offers multiple wheel options ranging from 18-inch to 21-inch alloys, depending on the trim and package. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW 5 Series comes with a variety of powertrain choices. The base model, the 530i, features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. For those looking for more power, the 540i is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, delivering 375 horsepower and 398 lb-ft of torque, thanks to BMW's mild hybrid technology. And for the performance enthusiasts, the M550i has been replaced by the new i5 M60, an all-electric version that pushes out an astonishing 590 horsepower, making it one of the quickest 5 Series models ever. Speaking of electric models, BMW has expanded the 5 Series lineup with the i5, an all-electric version that comes in multiple configurations. The standard i5 eDrive 40 delivers 335 horsepower and up to 295 miles of range on a full charge. The high-performance i5 M60 xDrive, on the other hand, features dual motors, all-wheel drive, and an impressive 0-60 mph time of just 3.7 seconds. BMW has also integrated fast charging capabilities, allowing the battery to charge from 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. Inside the cabin, the 2025 BMW 5 Series is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. The dashboard features BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 system, displayed on a massive 14.9-inch touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with a 12.3-inch digital driver's display. The infotainment system is more intuitive than ever, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a built-in voice assistant. BMW's new interaction bar, a touch-sensitive light strip running across the dashboard, adds a futuristic touch. Comfort is a priority, with premium materials like merino leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim giving the cabin a first-class feel. The seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with heating, ventilation, and massage functions available on higher trim. BMW has also packed the 5 Series with advanced safety and driver assistance features. Standard on all models is the BMW Driving Assistant, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The optional Driving Assistant Professional adds hands-free highway driving, making long road trips effortless. Parking is easier than ever with the new automated parking system, which can now be controlled remotely via a smartphone app. Pricing for the 2025 BMW 5 Series starts at around $58,000 for the base 530i, while the more powerful 540i starts at approximately $65,000. The electric i5 eDrive 40 begins at roughly $67,000, and the high-performance i5 M60 comes in at around $85,000. Fully loaded models can push past the $90,000 mark, but with the technology and performance offered, the price is justified. The 2025 BMW 5 Series is a game-changer in the executive sedan segment. Whether you prefer a traditional gas-powered model, a mild hybrid, or a fully electric version, BMW has something for everyone. With its stunning design, innovative technology, and exhilarating performance, the new 5 Series continues to set the standard for luxury sedans. What do you think of the 2025 BMW 5 Series? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Vibes for more automotive content.